how to create fresh table in Freshsales CRM. So first, go to your account. Next is select any of the modules here. So I'm going to select contacts. Next is you just need to click on this one here, this plus icon here. Then click on add new view. Now once you're here, you just need to add a filter. So I'm just going to add sales owner. And then if you want to add a new filter, you can do that as well. But as for me, I'm just going to add one filter. And then I'm just going to select this one and then click on apply. Okay. Now once you're here, let's just close this. And then you can just click on customize table here. And then if you want to show any of the fields here that aren't here, you can just select any of the ones here. So let's say I'm going to select city here. Then it'll start showing here. Okay, so next is just click on apply once you're done. And then let's just click on the three dots here to name our new table or view. Then click on rename view. And then here, let's just name this as test. And then if you want to share it with just you can do that. Or if you want to select any of the options here as well, you can do that as well. And then just click on save. And then you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.